YouTubers, my name is Saul and I have been a diecast collector since 2011, so quite a while now. Today I am going to show you a haul of diecast 1/64 scale, and this nice box is from Modelmatic based in the UK. I've purchased from them for a number of years, and time and time again they're reliable and beautifully packaged, so always in a new box and really tons of bubble wrap, so good job. So moving on, let's get on with the unboxing. So first out of the box is this 1975 Ford F100. I bought this because I think it's awesome. It's got a really long bed and I love pickup trucks. So this is Greenlight. In fact, I think they're all Greenlight, which is an American die-cast company, usually in 1/64 scale. And there is the back. So for the next one, I will unpackage these soon. So the next one is a 1975 Beetle convertible. This one is Johnny Lightning, and I just thought this is really cool. I like the white hood. And next out of the box is another Beetle, and this time favourite racing livery Gulf Oil Volkswagen Beetle, and that is I don't know, insane possibly. I think it's great. And what have we got next? We have Tokyo Talk series from Greenlight. This is a 2018 Nissan Titan, and I love Nissan trucks. Here in the UK we don't have the Titan, we have the Navara, which is a scaled down version of this American sized truck. Next along is Authentics M2. Another really cool diecast company, tons of detail, and this one comes in its own plastic box. This is a 55 Dodge Royale Lancer. And what else have we got? We have Johnny Lightning again, hulls and haulers. I think this is really cool. It's a houseboat made of poly resin, and this is an old Studebaker pickup truck with a camper shell on the back. And moving on, Gulf livery. Here it goes, International Durastar box truck. I had to have this because of the Gulf livery. Again, true 1/64 scale. You can see it next to this Dodge Royale. The scale is perfect, so I'm really particular about scale. Next on the line is a really cute VW double cab truck USA model 1960. So this is like a pickup bed version, not dissimilar to the Hot Wheels version, only this has more detail. Moving on, and this has got to be the cutest of them all, Gulf livery. This is a Fiat Cinquecento 500D Modificado 1960s. So it's got a seriously wide track for this vehicle, and I'll show you hopefully later how the scale compares with another car. I've got a feeling this Hot Wheels is slightly bigger than 1/64 scale, so if you're being true 1/64, it should be a bit smaller, but we'll show it next to something else a bit later. Right, running out of camera space here. Okay, so HD trucks, Greenlight, Pennzoil. I like this livery because of the colours, yellow and red. Really nice delivery truck. And then we're getting to the end of the list nearly, and I like this one, SD Trucks again, 1/64 scale, 2019 matte granite cement mixer, all in white. So you can get this in yellow. A lot of construction vehicles are in yellow, but I like this one because of the colour, white. So, and any more in the box? Oh no, I think that's it. So in a minute we're going to show you them out of their packages. Time for some unboxing magic. Okay, so we can show each one to the camera a little bit more closely. So, like I said earlier, this is really cool, not dissimilar to the Hot Wheels pickup version of this VW. And I've got the Hot Wheels version here as comparison. The Hot Wheels one is a little bit wider, but you don't really notice it. In fact, actually, I think they're a different era. The Hot Wheels one is a later one, but what's nice about the comparison here is that they both have a pickup bed. Next one we can show you is the Nissan Titan. A fan of these Japanese trucks, and like I said earlier, the Titan we don't get in the UK. We get the Navara, which is similar in size to this one. This is not a Navara, it's a Toyota Hilux, European Toyota Hilux, but if you look at them, that's the scale difference between a Nissan Navara, which is the same size as this one, and the Titan. So the Titan is a full-size American truck, and the Navara is the typical size we see on UK roads. Okay, so this VW Beetle, really nicely detailed. And I think this is Johnny Lightning, yes it is. And I just thought for a bit of fun, this is the Hot Wheels version of a VW Beetle. Pretty similar in scale. In fact, the Hot Wheels one is shorter. But they look okay together. And on the number plate it says 2OWNNR, to owner, I guess. Okay, this little one, Modificado, Fiat Cinquecento. So it's called the Fiat 500 because it has a 500cc engine, although this one, I don't know whether it's got a same sized engine, but it's been tuned to give a lot more brake horsepower, and it must be pretty crazy to drive because it really is so small in real life. In terms of scale, in fact, this is probably accurate in terms of scale, and in fact in real life this Hot Wheels Fiat is too big for 1/64. It should be a lot smaller. And this 1975 Ford F100 Highway Patrol, really cool. Really nice detail, and it's got this kind of like ram bar at the front. Moving on. What haven't we done? The Studebaker pickup truck. Studebaker. Unusual name. Don't hear it today. Really lovely, and I think the bonnet on this, the hood, probably lifts up, although not sure. And the camper shell may or may not come off. You can just see Studebaker etched into the back tailgate. That's really cool. I really like that. Johnny Lightning. This Johnny Lightning in terms of scale is probably about spot on. I've had a couple of Johnny Lightning ones which disappointed me in scale. So for example, Ghostbusters Ecto 1 or 2, whatever it was. One of the reasons I bought it is because it's a Cadillac, it's going to be big scale, but when I unpacked it, it was not scaled up to 1/64, which is disappointing. So, however, that doesn't matter to my son, so I gave it to him. He's really happy with it. So, with the Studebaker, comes the houseboat, and oh, look at that! What does it say on the back? Happy. Can't read it. So this is made of resin, and it's got sort of boat hull shaped bottom and these 4 mooring posts on each corner. That's really cool. I like that. And it's got an outboard. Doesn't say what make of outboard it is. So you can imagine anchored out on a lake, sitting with a beer and a fishing rod and a barbecue, enjoying the evening. How cool is that? So, and the trailer that it comes with. This is made of plastic, pretty lightweight. I like the wheels. Oops, focus. I like the wheels. Okay, so 3 more to go. The truck's in the background. So you've got the Gulf, the cement mixer, and the Pennzoil. The Gulf is a International Durastar, and it's quite heavy. So it's got a metal. That's metal. I think it's plastic top, but metal sides. Really nice detail. Really nice. And if you put this next to this little VW Golf, you can see that is absolutely correct scale in real life. That's how they would look together. So, moving on. Again, this is a matte granite cement mixer. That's plastic, but the rest of the back is plastic. So it's got a metal cab. Greenlight HD trucks. I thought it might have opening doors, but it doesn't. But it's nice, really nice. And you can't see it in the picture that much, but it rolls okay, it wobbles a bit. What doesn't roll is this Greenlight VW. So really disappointing. There you go. We haven't done the Dodge Royal Lancer. So the Dodge Royal Lancer is a 1955 American car. Really, really beautiful. We have, where we live in southern England, we have a lot of outdoor car shows, and there's a big American following. So it's quite rare, but you might see one of these. So, really detailed engine. Doors, absolutely gorgeous. 1955. And the paint scheme, I guess that's what you might have seen in that era. So really nice. And putting it next to a VW Beetle in terms of scale, yeah, you can see the scale difference. Big American car, small German Volkswagen. And looking from above, you can appreciate the size difference. Last of all, Pennzoil. International Durastar truck, like the Golf box fan. This is all metal, plastic base, dually wheels, as you American guys like to say. I don't know what the English term is, just double wheels, I guess. So, yeah, nice. Not just oil, Pennzoil. So, we've come to the end of this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and Saul 164 Diecast